Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you have archived a story on Instagram and want to bring it back to your profile, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. So to do that, you have to launch the Instagram apps in your device. Then click here, your profile picture. From here, tap on this three line. Now you can see there is an option archive. Just tap on this. Just tap on this image you want to unarchive. For example, I'm doing this. And from here, just tap on this three dot from here and share it. And then share on your story. This is how your archived story is back on your profile for your followers to see. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like and comment this video. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. I will see you in the next video.